Morning standard 5 students. Today in this class chapter 6 rocks and minerals we will discuss about minerals. So let us start about minerals. So first we will discuss about what are rocks and what is its use. Rocks are useful to man. Human beings have a very healthy relationship with rocks from ancient history till date. Before the first metal copper was known to man, rocks were the only hard substance used for different purposes. That means from rock we are using from the ancient times only. In early times, wild animals and human beings lived inside the caves, and caves are nothing but the holes inside the rocks only. So rocks were also used to light wood or used as tools for sharpening or digging. That means rocks were the only used tools, and these are also used to light wood by rubbing against each other. And rocks were only the used tools for sharpening or digging. Now let us see about the rocks more. Later rocks were used to build big forts and monuments like the Pyramid of Egypt. You can see rocks are cut into pyramids of Egypt. So rocks were used for making the monuments and buildings also. Rocks are useful to man in other ways also. Rocks and minerals are all around us. They help us to develop new technologies and are used in our everyday lives. Day by day, we have used rocks in different fields of our life. Our use of rocks and minerals includes as building materials. We make the different materials we use to make our buildings, cosmetics also, car, roads and appliances. So different fields we use rocks. In order to maintain a healthy lifestyle and strengthen the body, humans need to consume minerals daily. Minerals are essential for our good health also. They keeps us fit and healthy. Rocks are also preserved in many things that we use every day. So rocks we use every day, and in this also that is also a use of rock. Now some rocks are used as building materials. You can see to construct the houses we know we need bricks, sand, concrete and metals also. All these we get from rocks only. Like to construct houses, schools, roads, bridges, etc. we need the rock materials. Gemstones are also used in making jewelry. They are also coming from rocks. So we get different types of costly gemstones in jewelry. These are also a type of rock. Coal is also one of the important sources of fuel that is also coming from rock. Some medicines are made with china clay, that is also a rock from which we make some medicines. The pumic stone used to rub dead skin is an igneous rock. It is an igneous rock that is used to rub dead skin and to make scrubber also and polish also. For polish also it is used, and scrubber also it is used. Soapstone is a metamorphic rock made of softest mineral in the world, that is talc. So it is also metamorphic rock that is used to make talc powder. Talcum powder also we are using that. Electronic machines have parts made of mica. Mica is also a type of igneous rock that is used for making different types of electronic machines use this mica in that. Toothpaste also contain limestone, that is also a type of sedimentary rock. It is also one of the most common use of rock. Minerals. Now we will discuss about minerals. Our natural resources. Minerals are found naturally. They are occurring naturally in the nature. They are not made by humans. Minerals are inorganic. You can see minerals, different types of minerals. They are inorganic material. That means they are not coming from any living thing. They are not made by humans also. Minerals are inorganic. All rocks are made up of minerals. Some minerals found in rocks are metallic and some are non-metallic. Minerals, you can see some minerals, different types of colorful minerals are also found in the nature. Metallic minerals. What are metallic minerals? Metallic minerals, as the name suggests, are the minerals containing one or more metals from which we can get metals. These are called metallic minerals. These usually occur as mineral deposits and are a great heat and electricity conductor also, such as iron, copper, silver, bauxite and manganese. So, they are very useful to human for electricity and for different purposes. Metallic minerals, you can see gold bars, copper ore, zinc ore, these are all all give us metals like gold, silver, copper, zinc, etc. Now metals. Metallic minerals give us metal. All the metallic minerals has one or more metals. Metals are used in various ways in our daily life. Gold, silver, platinum are precious metals and they are used for making jewelry. Metals are extensively used in making machines, bicycles, scooters, cars, buses and aeroplanes. Nowadays in modernization of our country or our earth, all these machines and bicycles and transportations are dependent on metals. All industries are also depending on metals because most of the machines are made up of iron and steel. Our cooking and serving utensils are also mostly made up of metals because they are also very good conductor of heat. Now ores. What are ores? Ores, all metals are obtained from ores. Ores are dug of deep mines. So ores are the naturally occurring substance that gives us metal. Gold ore, iron ore, copper ore. Gold ore gives us gold, iron ore gives us iron and copper ore gives us metal copper. A rock that contains enough metal or metallic compounds so that it can be mined profitably are called ore. Now let us see about rocks more use. Rocks may be formed by one or type of mineral such as gold or a mixture of many minerals such as basalt. That means one type of mineral also can be present in rock, otherwise many types of different mixture of minerals can be present in a rock, that is called basalt. Basalt makes up most of the oceanic crust of the earth. It is made up of minerals like feldspar and pyroxene. Quartz is the most common mineral on the earth. Magnesium, mica, calcite, aluminium, copper, iron and silver are all minerals we get from the rocks. Basalt rock, you can see different kinds of basalt rock, that is a mixture of many minerals. Varieties of feldspar also, you can see different colors of feldspar is also amazing, very nice colors and designs of feldspar also found in the nature. The difference between mineral and a rock. Mineral and rock are basically it is looking same. The rocks and minerals may look similar on the surface, but they differ because minerals have definite chemical composition, but rocks do not. Rocks are usually made up of two or more minerals, but they may contain fossils also, but minerals do not. A rock is a large solid mass of consolidated or unconsolidated mineral matter. That means rocks and minerals are looking same, but they are differ because a particular mineral has a particular composition. You can see here characteristics of minerals, then you will understand. Minerals are naturally occurring substance. They occur in nature. They are not made by human. Inorganic minerals are never been alive. That means they are not coming from organic. They are just inorganic. Definite composition, chemical composition. All mineral has a particular specific chemical composition and that mineral is unique for that only. Solid. Minerals are always solid. They are neither liquid nor a gas. Crystalline structure. A mineral atoms are arranged in a specific pattern. That means a particular type of mineral, the arrangement of atoms are specific in each and every mineral. Thank you students. We will meet in the next class again. Thank you.